Well, that's it. First leader down. However, it's going to rain, so I'm going to show you a really neat way of collecting rainwater. As you know, I'm using a couple of tarps here, and you see this one here and another there, and those make excellent rain catches. And each one of these corners has like a little loop on it. And you don't really need those loops but to do this, but it really helps. Anyways, what you do is take a single piece of paracord and you tie each end around itself until you create like this little loop. See there? And you take your bottle and you put that loop over top of the lip, just like that. Nice and tight. And you take that and you hang it off the corner of your tarp. And when it rains, water runs right into it. However, you do want to still boil it because the rain will filter through the trees and collect whatever garbage that's on the leaves and things like that, and you can still get sick. So you're better off boiling it or filtering it. But this is an excellent way of collecting water. I've used it many times in the past, and I always keep that little string with me. They're really easy to make. Single piece of string, and tie a knot around itself, and then make that little. It looks kind of like a little handle. So, but as you see, it's holding up real well. And when the bottle fills up, it's going to pull your tarp down. So you got to keep an eye on it. Anyways, that's an excellent way of collecting rainwater, and give it a go if you have a chance. All right.